I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today we're doing a hand-trimmed prime filet mignon topped with a wonderful bone marrow butter sauce. This is incredible. Let's get cooking. I've got a couple of beef bones. I'm going to throw them in a pan and then into the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes until they're done. So they've been resting for about 10 minutes now. It's time to take those bones and scrape out all that wonderful gooey bone marrow. It's actually pretty easy to get out. Just a teaspoon and a couple of quick scrapes and wow, we've got exactly what we need. Pretty simple. Time to add some shallots, chives, and butter and make this real. When I trim one of these, I'd like to remove these two sections of the muscle. Why? Because this is a little bit grainier than the center section, but it makes great taco meat. So first thing I'm going to do is cut that off right there. And same over here. Now it's going to come down to a point a little bit, and that's okay. I like bigger steaks than I can buy in my market. So this gives me the ability to cut these any way that I want. I also have a little bit of silver in here that needs to come off. So I'm going to do a little bit of trimming. I'm not going to get too aggressive with it because I'm not going to use a whole lot of this. But there's a little bit of silver here and here that's got to go. The silver is just tough and you just don't need it in your dinner. And a little tiny piece right there. There we go. The small end really starts getting uniform in size about right here. So that's going to be my first cut. More tacos. So I like to make 2-inch steaks. I took a toothpick, broke off a 1/2 inch. I now have a standard 2-inch marker. Lay it down, make a cut. Lay it down again, make another cut. And just keep doing that until I get through the entire roast. So this roast was 4.5 pounds, and I'm going to get at least 5, probably 6 decent steaks out of this roast. There is some prime beef tenderloins. That is going to be fantastic. Okay, let's try this. Prime filet mignon with a bone marrow butter sauce. Wow. Wow. That is so rich. That is so good. I can't even describe it. There is a mouthfeel to this that is unlike any other topping I've ever had, butter or anything. It's just so rich and beefy and incredible, and actually really simple to do. Give this one a try. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. See you next time on Austin Eats.